Sanibona bafethu uVanele. So ade ngibuka le game iKaizer Chiefs athi idlala home idlala against iMamelodi Sundowns. Ade ngizobona ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso yini ayifundile ngosikhathi edlala neOrlando Pirates game yange weekend. Ngizobona futhi noNabi ukuthi yini ayifundile ngosikhathi ebukele iMamelodi Sundowns idlala neOrlando Pirates weekend. Ngizobona labo coach bawu2 kahle kahle yini abasiphathele yona. Angiyibukile igame. Ngibukile igame namhlanje, to be honest it wasn't an exciting game, to be honest. I'm sure abantu abaningi bazosho ukuthi why Vanu uthi le game le ibingekho exciting. Yes, it was a nice game to watch, but beyingekho le nto leyo engisusa mfethu ingihlalise at the edge of my seat ngibona ukuthi hayibo na i-team isifuna ukunqoma abanye, na i-team isifuna ukunqoma abanye. For me, Kaizer Chiefs were the better team in this game. It's crazy to say that, but for me, Kaizer Chiefs were the better team in this game. The game was too physical for both teams. Ama-team o2 bedlala ngempela eqinile, bekuliwa ngempela kule game. Wandile Duba attitude yalo mfana ayikho right. Usemncane kakhulu ukuthi ayi-actor kanje. Kumele nje afixe i-attitude yakhe umjida. But ke la ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngeside le-Sundowns. I feel like uMiguel Cardoso uzoyixosha yena. Ngiyazi axoshwe i-management ye-Sundowns, uyena umjida uzoyixosha ngama-decisions awathathayo. Ama-decision awathathayo azomxosha umjida. I know Miguel Cardoso angene between indaba kaRibeiro with the management yeMamelodi Sundowns, but when you look at ama-decisions awathathayo, look at the squad of iMamelodi Sundowns. Isquad se-Sundowns currently sinabadlali abancane. Many players were loaned out, many players were released by Mamelodi Sundowns. Currently they don't have ama-players antsuyimpu angasuke ebhenchini ashintshe igame. Currently their star player last season uRibeiro uya-protest. Currently umdawu uyayiso umdawu returning to i-training umjida kodwa bengekho namhlanje, yabo. So there's a lot going on with iMamelodi Sundowns. Thapelo Maseko naye, yabo. But when you look at iMamelodi Sundowns, you see the players they are playing with. Matthews up front, he's not giving anything. iMamelodi Sundowns Matthews ivara nje leyo. When you look at Allende Swin, Allende guys, sibe nje honest, Allende bafethu ngamsiza umkwena lapha eswini. Umkwena namhlanje baby becwilile umkwena, beculile umthetho owenza umkwena abe average indlela ade dlala ngakhona namhlanje. Umthetho bedlala ngempela namhlanje ubeyipheka eswini. iMamelodi Sundowns ayinayo uRibeiro. Njobe engekho Ribeiro, you have abafana abancane. Miguel Cardoso une option, you have young talented players. uLetlahu ube noMabhena, unoLetlahu ube noMabhena. You know ukuthi awunawo abadlali aba-creative. Tell me one creative player okhona currently ku-squad seMamelodi Sundowns beside those two young boys. Tell me one creative player they have ku-Mamelodi Sundowns currently beside uLetlahu ube noMabhena. Why uLetlahu ube noMabhena bengadlaliswa, bengawaqala ama-games? Because there is no creative forward ezoba khona meqhubeka kanje. Yabo iSundowns mizoqhubeka nalo coach for the next 10 games. Nkosi yami, abamgcine nje mhlambe kuze kushaya uJanuary. Yabo uma bamgcine kuze kushaya uJanuary, so ibona iSundowns ilenga la ku number 6, because amateam amaningi ayabona ukuthi there is no creativity in this forward football yeSundowns. Phambili nje ayikho creativity. uReynaz mengayithola ibhola, uReynaz uzoyifanela nje njengoref. Uzoyifanela njengoref uReynaz mengalithola ibhola phambili. Ngiyazi abe umsebenzi walutho phela oref bala eSouth Africa abamsebenzi walutho sometimes. So to be honest, igame namhlanje bengitsho ukuthi ngizobona iscore esimangazayo. Bengitsho ukuthi mhlawumbe iKaizer Chiefs izoyiwina le game. Bengitsho ukuthi mhlawumbe naye Sundowns ingase simangaze, yabo ikhipha isibhongo kuyiKaizer Chiefs ngokushaya iOrlando Pirates. But ke ama-team namhlanje decide ukushare ama-points, yabo. Kancane kancane uyayibona iKaizer Chiefs iba stronger and stronger and stronger. Asazi ke next game iyodlala nani iKaizer Chiefs. Why coach weSundowns engamdlalisi uShalulile? Why coach weSundowns engamdlalisi uShalulile? Why coach weSundowns ekhetha uMothiba nje angazi ke indaba yakhe. Ugijimisa wathi umuntu ofaka amabhuzu mfethu.